Hi Annie, pleased to say both your clocks are done. So as instructed, we've swapped the dials and cases around. So this is the painted case with the rusty dial and the original Bakelite non-painted case with the better dial. Just a few things for you to note. The on this one, so that the second hand, which needed to come to the front, didn't scratch on the glass. We've had to just put a tiny bit of foam just to push the dial back a bit. You don't notice it from the front, but if you look closer you'll be able to see that. What else? Oh yeah, if I just spin it around for you. Oh no, it's not that one, sorry. Let's just show you anyway. So that's it from the back. There's your new High Torque Quartz movement. Obviously the time control rod is still there, but that's just a dummy now, just to keep it looking original. I had to 3D print you some new brackets because the dial had come backwards. The original one was too tight. So that's that one, which I have to say I love, and I'll definitely give pride of place in my house. And then the second one, everything's as it was on that one. So again, original hands. And here's your new movement. On this one, I've had to 3D print a bracket to, I didn't have a wall hanging bracket, so I've fitted one there for you, just printed one to fit. So that's all good. So we're good to go. Both clocks will be on test for the next 24 hours, and I plan to send them back to you on Friday to be with you Saturday or Monday. Cheers Annie, thanks very much. Thanks for the business. Bye.